Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. We are going to be making us a little supper tonight, green chili taco baked chicken. Don't that sound good?
Yes.
Sounds good. So far the only thing I've done, I took me some chicken breast, and y'all, them chicken breasts these days come,
They're the size of a whole chicken.
yes, a whole chicken. So I just took two breasts and cut them in half, and I also like to pound mine because it loosens up them ligaments and make it tender. So I've pounded my little chicken here, and I did spray my bowl with some olive oil. Remember that little handy dandy, y'all? We love this thing, the Olivia Flavorful sprayer. It is wonderful. Just spray and go. Anyway, got that greased with some olive oil. And so now we're going to season our chicken with just some salt and pepper right now. And a little salt. I think I'm going to put a little garlic powder and a little onion powder on it too. Like, why not? You season yours however you want to. We gonna do the other side too, have no fear. Yeah. We gonna flip this old yard buzzard over and get it seasoned up. All right. See, it's much thinner, and this is gonna cook a little quicker.
Yeah.
I'll tell you, some of that chicken is just questionable. When you see it laying up in there.
I know, man.
Man. Same ordeal. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. I guess I could have just got my little Crazy Janes out and got it with all one shot. But if you don't have that, this is what you can do. Garlic. All right, now we are going to be mixing up a little concoction to go on here. So we've got 1 cup of sour cream, which is 8 ounces. I love this little. It's already measured out for me. I didn't have to mess.
Makes it easy.
Didn't have to mess anything up. No.
Just do it to it.
Yes.
And you got your container. Look at that.
I know.
I know where that's ending
He's
up.
laughing at me.
Yeah, I know where that's going.
I've got, let's see, it's 4 ounces of, I'm blind as a bat, y'all. 4 ounces of just green chilies.
Got it?
Yummy.
Diced and peeled.
Diced, and you want to drain them. I just took the little top and drained them down. And we have got some taco seasoning. You ain't got to be fancy. That I like to make my own, but I'm showing you for those of you that don't do that. 1 packet of taco mix. And I just got the original.
Regular old taco
Yep, we didn't go crazy.
Right.
2 tablespoons of lime juice. Boop, boop, boop. And I did have fresh lime. But I know with canning and stuff, you got to get the acid and stuff just right. And so the acid is more, the same every time you buy this versus a regular.
It's tested. Lab tested.
Yeah, because each lime may be different. But anyway, you can use a juice of 1 lime if you got it and don't have the juice.
Lime juice that has a quality control person that absolutely tests it and makes sure it's within standards before they send it out.
Listen at you go.
Yeah.
And about a cup or so, some good old cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Yummy, yummy.
Mm.
And I've got
What you doing there?
It's more than a cup, but I've got it there because you know how I measure with my heart, honey.
Yeah,
I might just be adding that. Then I've got some little cilantro chopped. We're also going to put some of that on the...
Ooh, fresh cilantro.
Yes, I
Love it.
good old cilantro. I think I might as well just dump this.
Yeah, see,
cheese.
I was ahead of. I was already ahead of you. I see.
I figured it was going to be the Lord's will. But
We've been doing this together a while.
He knew I was going to do it.
I did. I knew what was coming. I knew. She
did
was
about
going
a
to start
cup
to
and a
thinking
half.
about that cheese.
I did about 1.5 cups, so that's what it is. Now, I do have my oven set at 375, and this is going to cook for about 25-35 minutes. So, but we're going to just spread this little goodness on top of this chicken.
I'm going to tell
Just
y'all,
like
this has
this.
got me curious. It looks
Oh, yeah.
creamy,
Now,
cheesy.
now when this is done, you can eat it over rice. You can make some tacos, burritos, whatever
Yeah.
you want to do with it.
Sounds yummy.
So we are going to decide what we want.
Well,
Russell, what are you feeling like?
I got 25 to 35 minutes to decide, right?
Yeah.
But rice is going to take a few minutes.
Well,
But I don't know.
but we got some
We got some tortillas.
tortillas. We do.
Got to have some more cheese for that.
I got some cheese, honey. I got more cheese. No worries there.
Well,
Anyway.
you know, it's about time for us to crack open some of that salsa before we can can.
Absolutely. All right.
My mind's then started rolling now, so.
It's getting to be vegetable time, y'all.
Yeah.
All right. In the oven it goes, like I said, 25, 35 minutes. And when it's done, we will have decided at that point
What we going to do about this
what we're going to do
thing.
with it.
Yeah.
I think it would be good with some tortillas. But we'll see. In it goes. All right there. There she is, y'all. That was about 35 minutes. So I'm just going to let this sit for a little minute. And I think we have decided on some tortillas, right?
Yeah.
All righty.
We got this little.
Oh, yeah, we got some hot sauce. Russell's hot sauce, his jalapeno cilantro. That's going to be so good on it.
Yeah.
And
I'm gonna crack the seal on that and have some of that with it.
Yes, and he'll put the little recipe in the description as well if y'all want to make some yourself.
Yeah.
So let me get these little tortillas cooking and we'll have us some supper. All right, y'all, we went with some good old tortillas.
Yep. I'm ready to dig in them too. This stuff looks good.
We love us some
Mexican food.
any kind of Mexican food.
Absolutely.
We really do. We love
Put a
it.
little lime on it, y'all.
Get your little acid on there. Y'all, I saved my little Texas Pete bottle. He laughed at me about saving stuff. But to put his little hot sauce in it. So there you go.
Well, this thing's packed up to the gills, so I'm gonna have to
is.
use a fork to get in it. But I don't mind no packed up tortilla.
All kind of good stuff on it.
Yeah, it's loaded up. Here we go. I'm gonna tell you what.
Tell me what. Tell us
Make
what.
me want to do a salsa dance.
Oh, go ahead.
I ain't no dancer, y'all, but woo!
Well, now.
Wow,
Got a lot of flavor.
it's got unbelievable.
Got that, the taco powder and all.
I'm telling you, it's got all kind of. The chicken is tender because you did some pounding on it,
I did.
and that helped.
That is a trick, y'all, for that big old chicken that you get.
The sauce is creamy,
Yes, it is. Green chili.
and it's got the chili flavor, and that lime just went in there with it. It's like
Yes.
chili lime.
Then the taco
And
seasoning.
then the cilantro, fresh cilantro, and then the cilantro with the jalapeno, y'all. It's got a little bit of heat with the jalapeno. Ooh, wee.
It's hitting right.
Whoa, I'm telling you, ooh,
Alright.
that is flaming.
Very good. It's fire.
You gotta try that. Try that.
All right. You talked me into it.
I'm telling you. What?
Well. Got me some little
That's
mayo.
as good as you can get anywhere right there.
I just did some
telling you.
cheese and some tomato and a little cilantro and a little red onion.
What you think?
That's good. Very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that chicken is tender.
Yes.
Lots of.
It's like
lots
just
of
it's
flavor.
fall apart tender. Yes. It got. Yeah.
Ton of flavor.
Yes.
Ton of flavor.
You can really taste the chilies.
You can. It's
And
not hot.
I think the hot sauce gives it a little bit of jalapeno taste too, and all that cilantro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We love cilantro.
Put the lime in there too. The lime really gives it some good flavor too. It's really
Yeah.
good. All that mixtured flavors go together.
We used to, I used to cook Mexican food all the time. Like, God, it just doesn't taste like the restaurant. And we figured out it was the cilantro that we were missing.
Yeah, we were missing it. That's right. That fresh cilantro is just
It
next.
does.
It gives everything the.
Don't skip the cilantro if you're a cilantro eater.
Yeah.
Now, some people say it tastes like soap. I don't get it, but so many people say it. So
I don't know.
Must be a
to
thing.
some people it must, but
yeah,
if you go out to eat Mexican and then don't use it at home, it's like, man, that's lacking.
What's
What are you
missing?
not
Yeah.
getting? Yeah. But
it is definitely the cilantro.
that and the
Don't-
peppers, they actually know there are different types of peppers. Once you start messing with the peppers
Yeah.
and stuff, you can kind of figure out what's in their sauces
Yes.
and the heat, and then what's sweet, and yeah,
And we love poblanos too. Oh,
Yeah.
those give so
A
much,
lot of
especially
flavor.
roasted.
yeah, a lot of flavor in poblanos. But
Those are good.
them jalapenos,
Yeah, y'all make
Golly.
this sauce.
yeah, it's getting that time, plant your vegetables, and yeah.
And it's really simple. And Russ actually did that video. He did it. He cooked his own hot sauce. I was so proud of him.
Yeah,
But y'all give this a try. It is delicious.
that was.
It would
I
have
don't
been
know.
good over rice. It would have been good any kind of way.
I think that's perfect though. With tortillas, that's like a fajita, enchilada.
It's
It's
in
all
one.
kind of it's like
Yeah.
a mixture with the
It
creaminess. Yeah, I don't know. It's
Yeah, it made
fantastic.
like a little sauce in it, so it was nice and creamy. But y'all give it a little try.
Ooh.
I hope you do,
Yes.
and I hope you enjoy it. If you do,
Let us know if you do. Get in the
Let
comments.
us
Let us know if you cook it. Give it a try. And yeah.
if y'all have a little favorite dish, y'all do send it to me. Please send it to me.
Yeah.
I will gladly whip it up.
Yep.
Yes, we will. Anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching, and until next time.
Peace.